girl, you're kidding. A beige meal. I'm like slurring my words. The only thing that could fix me is some coffee and couch time. Let's get down there. I have my coffee, zero sugar Powerade, my ice water, and now I'm in my Hello Kitty blanket hoodie and on the couch. Now I can speak. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, I had a holiday dinner party with some friends and it was so fun, but I will say that I was overserved. I was overserved. Red wine is a gateway drug. Next thing I know, I'm taking shots of tequila and Doritos vodka. This is all my fault. Am I on my deathbed hungover? No, but I do have a headache. So I'm just gonna treat this like a sick day. I just wanna like eat some leftovers. I think I wanna watch a Christmas movie. She's crazy. She's crazy. And I just wanna chill out today. Like, look at me. I might even get crazy and take a nap while I'm watching a Christmas movie. Oh, girl, you're kidding. You're kidding. The home group chat was going crazy. One of my roommates has some friends that are moving out of their house. They have a lot of things that they just don't want. So they're like, you guys can go through it. Oh my God. So I was like, you know what? That's like the best thing I've ever heard in my life. Fine, I'll do that today. But until then, girl, big couch coffee Christmas movie time. I love the Great British Baking Show, and I did not know that there was a holiday version. Oh my God. And there's a new one. This is a Lifetime one though, and I feel like the Lifetime Christmas movies I've watched are crazy. Like, my mom and I accidentally watched one with my grandma one time, and we were like, what? The things they are doing, this is not a Hallmark movie. My poor grandma. Anyways. Just laying there with my eyes closed. Ooh, like that was so luxurious. I took ibuprofen and Tylenol and combination this and the coffee and the Hawaiian sweet rolls. I'm so up, but now I want leftovers for breakfast. Wait, would this be kind of crazy? I love stuffing. Kind of want to be like crazy and make some of it. You know what? Why not? We're going crazy today. Oh my gosh. Freezing. I'm just gonna make all of it and then I'm gonna have leftovers. This is perfect. Now I set a timer for 10 minutes and then it'll be ready. You know how people talk about like a beige meal? Essentially no vegetables. Everything is one color. Like, this is my beige meal. I have my stuffing, my green bean casserole, and then my roommate's mac and cheese. It's so good. My green bean casserole that made me crash out. It's okay. When I made it last year, it turned out so much better. I don't know what I did. I'm going to try the stuffing. It looks so soggy. Hey, I love that. So somehow it's a little dry as well. Okay, girl, I'm gonna sit in silence and just eat this. And then honestly, I'll probably find my way back over to the couch. Like, today is just such an ideal lazy day until my friends make me go to some random person's house. That I'm really excited for. I started watching a new Christmas movie. This one's on Netflix. It's called Jingle Bell Heist. The way it looks, it like scratches my brain and I'm like eating this up. But I need to take a break. I need to like lay on my phone on TikTok for a little. But I made a promise to myself that I would do like 1 or 2 productive things. And so I've decided that I am going to clean up all of my makeup and the mess I made getting ready for the holiday party. This one's probably gonna come a lot later, but I'm gonna do laundry today. I just need a few minutes. Now when I come home, I have no excuse to not do laundry. I'm about to leave, but this is my cute little outfit. This is me digging through shit like a little rat. Just my airy leggings. I thrifted this shirt. Got this bra at the Goodwill bins, if you really want to know. But it is Reebok. Hat, hair, and a braid so I can get into it. Hopefully, I will come home with a lot of cool stuff to show you. Be back soon. Just got home, gonna do laundry. The finds have been insane. We're trying to like piece together the house now. I think tomorrow I will do like a real tour of it because girl, I'm so tired. But it's time to do laundry. I'm gonna show the mayhem of my house currently. Now I'm going to do something crazy. I got this incredible find. It's like a Sherpa ottoman storage bench. It's really cute. There is a little stain on the top though, so I have my dirt devil and I am going to go to town on that. So then tomorrow we can give a haul of everything and then organize everything. I have my ear protection. I am so ready. Look at this thing. It's like textured and then it has like rings kind of, and it has so much storage. I already vacuumed inside here, but it's just so effing cute. There's just like a few little tiny stains, and so I'm just gonna try my best. You can still see it, but I think it actually does look a lot better. Oh my God, like my hangover. I'm like, girl, I'm 26, but I'm too old to drink. I can't keep doing this. I still have quite a bit of solution left. So I think I might clean the little slowpoke over here. And then I think I'm gonna do my computer chair because I've had this chair for a few years. So it's like, might as well just like refresh it a little. My chair is like kind of soaking wet, but there were like a few drops on it and now I don't see them at all. Girl, I'm like, why am I doing this? I don't know if I made things a lot better or a lot worse or if they're just the same. We did pick up a rug and I might as well like do it if I'm like here.
This actually looks so much better. I didn't know if it would make a difference or not. There was a stain like somewhere over here and I can't even tell where it was anymore. Yes! I was feeling so lazy. I did not want to clean it, but you know what? It was the right decision. And look how gross it is. A lot of this is just like chunks. I am dripping in sweat, but I'm going to go empty this and then I have to like clean the machine and stuff and then we'll reconvene.
Oh my god. I feel like I have lived 10 different lives today. I cannot believe I woke up and I was like, oh, I have a headache. I'm gonna lay on the couch and watch Christmas movies. It was so good, but girl, I gotta sleep off today. My arms are sore from cleaning the rug. Like, it was good. It all needed to happen, but I'm like slurring my words because I'm so tired. So I'm just gonna end it right now. In like 6 hours, I'll start filming the next one. Anywho, thank you so much for watching today. Sorry, I don't know what the hell happened today. Whenever you see it, I will also see it. Like, I have no idea. I will see you tomorrow for organizing my room and big haul of everything that I got from a friend of a friend's house because they're moving. So, yep, that's the title of the next video right there. I will see you tomorrow for that. Bye.